Hello everyone, welcome to Le Homemade and thanks for joining me once again. Today I'll be showing you how to make yet another quick party snack, which is savory stuffed canapes, also called as forminhas. So let's see the ingredients. Ready-made canapes, spring onions, boiled potato, boiled carrot, boiled green peas, boiled macaroni, boiled corn, mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, chili flakes and mayonnaise. So first we'll mix up all the ingredients. First we'll take the macaroni in a bowl. Then we'll add our peas. These are boiled peas. Boiled corn. Now we'll add our boiled potatoes, spring onions, boiled carrots. You just have to mix all the things together. Now I'm adding chili flakes, black pepper powder, some salt, mayonnaise, and we'll mix everything together. So here I have mixed everything well, so the stuffing is ready to go into the canapes. And now we'll start putting the stuffing into the canapes. And we'll fill all the canapes in this manner. And now we'll add a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of the stuffing. You can also grate the cheese on top of this. After this, I am placing just a leaf of coriander on each of the stuffing, just to make it look more attractive. It's totally optional. Then I'll be adding half a cherry tomato on top of this. And I'll be baking this for like 10 minutes. Here I have placed them in a baking tray. I'll be baking them for 10 minutes. But before, I'll be adding a piece of olive on each of them just for decorative purpose. This is totally optional. And here our savory stuffed canapes are out of the oven and they look so yummy. So then, as I always say, stay happy, keep smiling and cook homemade, because homemade is your own made. If you like my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for more updates. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking!